minutes. Malugod po namin kayong binabati sa ating paglipad. Ang lipad na ito ay pinangungunahan ni Kapitan Padua sa tulong ni Unang Opisyal Divino. Tayo po ay lilipad na mahigit kumulang 1 oras at 10 minuto. At this moment, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of these aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose ends. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of a water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, clip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Flow to increase air and push pins inward to release air. Light will automatically illuminate once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft, and please be reminded that the unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you, put the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth, pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you're advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exit. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Please straighten up your seats, fasten seatbelts securely, keep window shades open, and tray tables stowed. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while the cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarettes, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is also prohibited by the Philippine Civil Aviation Regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium batteries or charger.
Wow, Dragon, come on! Noah!
po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kumuha ng mga kagamitan. Nais rin po namin ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na pinagbabawal. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight crew Captain Guevara and First Officer Bonsai together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.